understand that no stock markets can be run without operators. There should be operator for every stock or scrip and indices. Particularly in National Stock Exchange, there are separate set of operators for every strikes of call options and put options separately, be it stock options or index options. And further, let us discuss how the system is in existence in India when compared to the UK. In India, irrespective of the broker you open a demat account with, every order we place will go to the stock exchange, and there the operators are consolidatedly able to watch each one of us, and they are taking exactly in the opposite direction to the position we place. As part of presenting the supporting evidences to justify my statement that the National Stock Exchange is the world's biggest scam, here I present my first evidence. First of all, the brutal fact is that it is highly impossible to run an exchange with derivative instruments, and also nowhere in the world the markets operate like they operate in India. So let us compare our markets with developed economies or developed countries markets like US and UK. So in abroad, they call derivatives as CFDs. CFD means contract for difference. In United States of America, the CFDs are banned since 2008 itself. So there is no point in discussing about US markets. In UK markets, the process is completely different. There, the London Stock Exchange has given the license to the brokers to infuse any financial instruments on their platforms. The brokers run different financial instruments like cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices of other countries as well. Moreover, once an order is placed in UK, the order ends at the broker end and doesn't go to the London Stock Exchange. And this operator sitting in the London Stock Exchange absolutely doesn't have any idea about the traders trading and about the sentiments of the traders. So there are many brokers who have listed in the London Stock Exchange like eToro, CMC Markets, IG Markets. And moreover, in UK, the index is FTSE 100, which is having the least volatility. We can hardly see that index moving more than 100 points in a day. Currently it is trading at 6,000 levels, and which means that there is minimum percentage chance to lose money there. When we come to the brokers, IG Markets is the one which provides the options as well on the top countries indices. When we compare the IG Markets platform with National Stock Exchange of India platform, we can clearly figure out how this looting is happening in the National Stock Exchange. Except IG Markets, the other brokers provide only futures on the indices, and they have the other instruments on cryptocurrencies and commodities. So further in this video, we will be comparing this IG Markets platform with National Stock Exchange of India platform so that we can have the clear picture. In a countries like US and UK, where gambling is legal, like casino, poker, everything is legal, still there the stock exchanges are not running the operations like they are running in India, because it is highly impossible to run any exchange with the derivative instruments even with 5% genuinity. Whereas in UK there is no this scope, because once a trader places an order, the order ends at the broker end and doesn't go to the stock exchange, means that is London Stock Exchange, and the operator sitting in the London Stock Exchange absolutely doesn't have any idea about the orders coming to the brokers or the sentiment of the traders or the percentage of the traders on the long side or short side. But whereas in India it is consolidated and the operators are happily looting. So this is the first comparison.